Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the super duper cute character Isabelle from Animal Crossing. So before we get started, feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff because it really helps out the channel a lot. Alright, so I'm going to start with my black marker, and I'm going to start with her head. Make sure you leave some room up top because she's got like a little, almost like a little ponytail up top. Okay, well I'm gonna get started with her eyes. So I'm gonna do a little line and give it a little bit of space and do another little line. These are kind of like her little eyebrows. Okay, now I'm gonna do an oval connected to that line. And then a little oval inside, and then you color the second sorry, you color the first oval in black. There we go. So she's looking a little sad right now, but we'll fix that. Okay, so we're gonna give her a little nose, just like a little horizontal oval. And now we're gonna give her a little smile, so this is really gonna help her not look so sad. And your little line there, little line there, and a little smile. Okay, and we're gonna bring it on down so it's a nice wide open mouth smile. And she's got a little tooth and then a little tongue. Okay, and right now we're gonna get started on drawing in her hair. So start in the middle here between her eyes. There's going to be like a big little wave. Big little wave. Okay, so I'm going to come on down the middle, a little bit of a straight line there. And then we're going to swoop it over to the side. And same over here, we're going to swoop it over to the side. And we're going to come up top and give it a little hill. Same over on that side, give it a little hill. And then just some little floofy marks here. Now we're gonna make a curved line right there. It's gonna be the top of her like hair scrunchie, and then do a little ball and another little ball. And those are actually like little bells. Now, oh my goodness, I'm sorry if you can hear the rain outside. It's really raining heavy outside my window. So we did like a ball up top here, and we're gonna do another one. Okay, so it's gonna be her top of her hair. And we do like a little squiggly line and another little squiggle because they're going to be two different colors. Okay, now her cheeks here. We got a little horizontal oval and another little one. These are like little blushy cheeks. And we're going to come on down, give her little face shape and connect them. And then we're going to draw around the nose and draw around her little mouth and connect. Okay, now we're going to do her cute little ears. So she's got long floppy ears, one on both sides. Okay, so far so cute. Now I'm going to draw her wearing a little pink shirt, and it's going to have like a little V neck. So we just did a little V. And it's going to have a little collar. So come on down and make almost like an L shape, and then here we did like a backwards L. And then a little line, and then come on in. Okay, so that's the collar of her shirt. And we come on down straight. Give her little shoulders. And her sleeves. Straight line, come on in. Straight line down, and come on across. Alright, so now we're going to give her a little skirt. So we're coming on down a little bit more. And we're drawing across. And I'm gonna give her one little foot and the other little foot like that. I'm gonna give her little shoes. So I made a little U line here and just a little line there. And she is missing her arms. So I'm gonna draw one little arm, connect it to the short sleeve there, and then another little arm and connect it. Now she's missing one more thing. She needs her little tail. So it's almost like a teardrop kind of shape. But now we're gonna give it a little squiggle line up top. Okay, because they're gonna be two different colors. Okay, now I'm gonna start doing some coloring. So for Isabelle, I'm gonna use a gray for her skirt, because the skirt is actually gonna be white. So I'm just using the gray for like a bit of shading. And I'm gonna use a brown color for her shoes. And I'm going to use this really super duper light blue on the skirt as well. I'm going to use a really pale yellow for the majority of her, and then her ears and the top of her hair, I'm going to use this like deeper yellow, nice brighter yellow. I'm going to use a pink for her shirt, and then this color here, this reddy pink, for the top of her hair scrunchie. And I'm also going to use this white gel pen to add in some little leaf designs on her shirt and some little buttons too. Alright, so we're going to speed up this part, I think, because it's probably going to take a little while. So I'm going to get started coloring. Alright everyone, we are done our picture of Isabelle. So I hope you had fun drawing, I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Alright, bye!